Hi, I'm Laurie Dummer, and this is our book art project for November. It's a poinsettia decoration that can either be hung on a tree or used on display in your home anywhere. And there will be kits with the pattern for the various petals, the small, medium, and large. And I have included music pages in the kits, and I use a gold leaf marker for edging. These can be purchased online or at Walmart for like under $5. But just in case you don't want to go out and purchase one, I have taken and traced the various sizes on a music sheet and outlined them in gold leaf so that you will have one to be cut out and ready to assemble. And you won't need the gold leafing marker. Anyway, then I have included another sheet of music that you can use the patterns on and use either gold leaf marker or paint or whatever you desire. So, first thing is you're going to want to take your sheet of music and put your pattern down wherever you would like it to be and trace around it. And then take your marker pen and outline it. And you'll need 6 of each size, and that's what they will look like when you have them traced and ready to cut out. Then when you have them all, just cut them around. And you'll then have 6 of each size. I like to take and bend them across the center just to give them a little more depth. So I do that with each one as I'm gluing them together, or you can get them all ready ahead of time if you wish. So then you're going to need a glue gun. I use a small one for this project because it's much safer than the big ones. And I like to go on the back side in the corner and just add a little dot because it doesn't take much. And I'm going to start putting them together. Bringing the tips in to meet each other. And I kind of pick them up to make sure I don't get them glued to the surface of my work area. Now, this, the older, more yellowed type music pages, you'll want to handle with care because they can be a little bit fragile. All right, and you got the first size done. You're going to move on to, you can do small, medium, large, whatever order you wish. I find it's easier to start with the largest size and work my way in. And then you're going to, the medium size, place them so that they are in between the first two, every 2 of the larger size. Once again, making the tips come together in the center. And that's with the mediums applied. Now the last ones are the small size. And with these, go in between the two of the medium size petals. And last one. And there, all the petals are on. And next, I've included some pearl beads for the center. If I can keep them here. And for that, I put some glue in the center of the hot glue, and just take and drop them on and press them down. And that makes center. Then I've also included a piece of gold ribbon. Yours is a little bit longer than this one that I have here. And this is if you need a hanger for it. Turn it over. Put some glue on the back. And press it on. And you have your poinsettia. Now, with your other sheet, if you wish to try something different and paint the edges or paint the entire page, the entire petal, I did this one in red with the music pages. And I have your music pages rolled up and tied with a piece of twine, and that you can use that for the hanger for your second one. And that's it. Thank you.